boiled eggs, and I got my Tonys to put on there. And then I juiced last night. No, this is gonna make you shit. A lot. Oh my gosh.
Get this feeling that you're gonna make me yours. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to say wrong. I admit it's exciting.
It's that hair, that photo shoot I had to do. They gave me this one. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime and I came to Starbucks so I can get me a cup of ice. I figured I'd eat my lunch here. Today I have some pollo asado and some rice. I didn't really explain my last meal with you guys because it was so loud in that lunch tent. So this morning I had 2 eggs with some juice. So I started juicing, and it's not for like as a meal replacement or anything like that. It's just so I can get fruits in my system. I don't eat fruits or vegetables. I'm trying to get it in my system like maybe twice a week. You know, start off slow, and juicing kind of helps. That's what I had this morning, 2 eggs and a juice. And I think I put ginger, cucumber, beets, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, cucumber. I said cucumber. And I think that's it. That's the only reason why I juice. I know people like want to juice just to like detox or something. No, I juice barely. Like, I really don't do it. Like, I just brought out my juicer back after like 2 years of being locked up. I was like, why don't we start juicing? And that way I can get my fruits in, like a little bit of veggies. Girl, am I getting vegetables in? No vegetables. Yeah, just straight fruits, but that's all right. Okay, I'm hungry. Mouth is watering. So basically, I have a half a cup of rice and a half a pound of pollo asado. Get a pound of pollo asado from the store, and I just half it in 2 meals, and then that's basically, you know, so half. I'm gonna have to talk to you guys after because I'm so hungry. Today I ate 2 eggs and I had a juice. I didn't measure the juice or anything. I just poured it, you know, I made a batch and then I just poured it in my little glass cup. This meal number 2, a half a cup of rice and a half a pound of chicken. Oh, let me show you guys my drink that I got from Costco. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just finished my food, cleaned it. It was so good. Ooh, this one tastes good. Kiwi star fruit. It came in 3 different flavors. It was a strawberry, watermelon, this one, and I think it's just like the other, no, 4 different flavors, because there was a blue one and then a regular lemon water. I don't know, girl. I'm just trying out new things and it tastes good. It have vitamin C in it. It's water, organic lemon juice. I don't know what exactly the benefits are, but I know it has electrolytes, and it's getting hot out here, and you gotta make sure that you put your electrolytes back in your body because you do sweat it out, okay? Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I changed for the gym. Girl, my head needed to be like refreshed. I just like sprayed some water and conditioner because, oh, my head was killing me. But the next meal before I go to the gym is, because I'm hungry, I'm thinking about just doing one of these protein shakes. It only has 26 grams of protein and it's 170 calories. Or I might do a different protein shake. I just recently got this flavor. I mean, this kind, it's a different one. This says Body Fortress High protein shake, 40 grams of protein. This one's way better because it's 180 calories for 40 grams of protein, and this one is 170, so 10 calories less for like literally 26 grams of protein. That's it. Obviously I'd rather the 40, but I think this one is nasty because it is super clean, and this is the flavor vanilla. So I never tried this before. I guess I'll do this one. We'll do like a taste test. Okay.
Subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to say wrong. I admit it's exciting, but to me kinda like it. But before I lead you on.
Oh! Alright, so what I should have did, my nosy ass, like at first it didn't taste like nothing, like it tastes like vanilla. And then I like stopped and wanted to know like what it tastes like. This tastes like eggs. Ugh. But I'm gonna drink it. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Good thing I only bought a little 4-pack, but this is really clean. So that whatever, like the ingredients are like 5 things in here, so it's not bad. And 40 grams of protein for only 10 calories more than this. But it's disgusting. Ah! So I'm gonna drink it.
Your fists out, had to put a wall up, but don't trust phones, baby. Yeah, you gotta come in with your motor, baby. Cause you got your candy on your arm. No need to sugar coat. I lie, say what you want. I need.
Ah! The fact that I know it's nasty. I kind of want to gag it up and throw it up. Oh my god, that's disgusting. That is so bad. And I have 3 more. Did I tell you guys already that I'm gonna go to Planet Fitness? I don't remember. Oh, I'm losing my mind. So look, I accidentally ordered 2 of the leggings of these from Gymshark. So I just cut it into shorts. Ooh, one of the pairs. And they're short. I don't think I'm gonna drink the rest of this right now. I might drink it later, but it already did the job. Like, I'm not hungry anymore. That was like my snack. Yeah, so my snack. I'll see you guys whenever I get back from the gym. Hey guys, so it is dinner time and I'm about to eat. It's just finished, hold up. So this is my dinner. So I'm basically gonna eat the whole entire box. This is what it looks like. It has 980 calories for the whole entire box and 44 grams of protein. This is the macros if you want to see. But I showed you guys this box of pizza plenty of times. I eat about 3 pizzas a week for dinner. I'm gonna eat this entire box of pizza and my mouth is watering. So I'll talk to you guys after. Okay guys, so I just finished and this is what's left. The crust. I absolutely love those pizzas. Like, I literally crave it. I only get the pepperoni. I get the barbecue every once in a while, but the pepperoni is my freaking favorite. Now I'm gonna eat, you guys know, my sabero, and then I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of it. I'll probably eat half of it. I already got it defrosting. I already showed you guys the macros for this. It says 3 servings on here and it's 150 calories per serving. I normally eat it all, so we'll see how much I eat tonight. Okay, so I just finished. This is how much I have left. It's basically like I ate 2 of the servings instead of all 3. Might as well eat all 3. But I logged into my my FitnessPal because I wanted to know and tell you guys everything that I ate today, like all my macros. So in total, I ate 151 grams of protein. I had 173 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, 63 grams of sugar, 68 grams of fat. Okay, now let me see how much calories that was. Okay, so what I put on here is basically like to kind of like maintain or like lose 5 pounds, just to, you know, get an idea of what you should be eating. So it says that, and it says that it tracked my workout as well, but I don't think it did. So this is how much calories I ate. 1,931. Can you guys see this? It said I ate 1,931 calories today, but I'm supposed to eat 1,740. girl, no. I can't eat that little, like, that's not happening. I think it subtracts your workout from that as well. I'm not sure, but that's what it says. I ate 1,931, almost 2,000 calories. I ate a lot of protein. What did I eat the most of though? Let's see. I think my carbs probably was the most. How do I go to it? Wait, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so you see how my carbs are the most. The carbs are the green and protein's orange and the fat is the purple. So my fat and my protein are kind of the same. Is both say 32%, and then my carbs are 36%. That's okay with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. Like I told you guys before, I like to eat the same thing every week. Like the pizzas, I eat the same every week. I'll switch up my proteins here or there, but mainly my meals typically stay the same Monday through Friday until Friday night to Sunday night. So Friday night to Sunday night is when it like change and I eat different, but Monday through Friday till the night, I basically stay on prep. Okay, y'all, so I totally forgot to track. Remember this morning I had a juice? I don't know how to track that, so I would just add on like 100 calories just to add it, just to be safe. So let's say I ate 2,000 calories today, because I don't know how much calories is the juice. Like I don't know how to, you know, I don't know. But yeah, so a total of 2,000 calories. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.